Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, today will learn about why JavaScript is dynamic and why it is loosely or weakly typed. See, why JavaScript is dynamic? The reason is JavaScript engine will execute the code and locate the errors during the runtime and also because of coercion. So I will tell you all these things in the coding. See, here I have wrote some code. See, initially I have created one variable. Okay. Then I have assigned data type as a string data type. After that, for the same variable, I have given data type called number data type. And then I have given another value true and which is Boolean data type. After that, I'm consoling it. So first, keep it is commit. Okay. So we'll see what will happen. Line number 56. Line number 56 is getting printed. So the type of the variable is Boolean and the value is true. But initially we have given the string, right? For this variable, we have given string data type. So what happened here is quotient happened means the conversion of the values from one data type to another data type is called quotient. So initially the data type is string and after that in the line number 52 the data type is number. So the JavaScript engine, while it is executing, it is come to the it will come to the line number 50 and it will see this variable and it will find the data type as string. After that, it will go to the next line, line number 51. There is no code, and then it will go to the line number 52. There is a same variable with a different data type. Okay, the data type is number. And after that, it will go to the line number 54. Then it found the same variable with the different data type. The data type is Boolean. Okay, so after that, the JavaScript engine will go to the line number 56 and then it will print the variable. In between of the line number 54 and line number 56, there is no same variable. Okay, so the variable will take the recent data type. The recent data type is Boolean. Okay, so the JavaScript engine for this variable, it will take the recent data type. That's why we are able to get the Boolean data type only. I hope you understood how the JavaScript is dynamic. If you're not, I will tell you one more thing. Okay, here I have written some other code. See, I have created one array with the different data types. See, here it is number and it is string. Okay, and then I have given Boolean. Three different data types, right? Now, I have created one function, and in that I have used this for loop, and I am looping it, and also I am printing here each each data type. So here the variable is we have declared here, right? The same variable I'm using here. See what will happen. See, it is printing everything. Line number 65, it is Boolean, it is number first, then it is string, and then last, it is Boolean, right? So all the data types are getting printed with the same variable. Variable name is where this one. Okay. What I'm trying to tell you, using the same variable, we can print all the data types. Okay. We can access all the data types. Okay. Likewise, uh, the JavaScript has dynamic features. That's how JavaScript is dynamic. And JavaScript engine is different than other languages. Okay, if you are working with the Java, okay, using Spring Boot, when you are developing a code, if you develop any unnecessary code or any error, it will show you. Okay, the Spring Boot will review your source code and it will show you there only. But with the JavaScript, you can't see anything here. If you write unnecessarily one error here, see, I will create um, one error like I will create one error console.log. mm, where see line number 57. So here we got to know error unexpected token. Sorry, where means it is taking as a key. Okay, here I will take where one. See here, do you see any do you see any kind of error here in this file, in the child.js file? You not right, but while executing only you are getting to know where is the error, what is the error. So reference error we are getting. That means this where one we didn't declare, right? So this kind of execution will happen with the JavaScript engine. Only we can get to know the errors while running this code. Okay. I hope you understood about the dynamic um, thing about JavaScript. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.